Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Every day you hit the like, you hit the subscribe. Talking about going on a ride and going to the moon, and damn, hopefully going soon. Sean, Nicholas in the house. We got a quick video. I plan on doing an 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time video, talking about Bioeconomy, talking about Cardano, talking about some of the other things that your request was. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, all notification. So when we do go live, you get these notifications immediately. What's going to happen is we're going to talk about the crypto Bitcoin news and the month of September. Does anybody remember the last time, Nick, Sean, we had a positive month for the month of September in the Bitcoin price? Well, I'm going to surprise you, but this hasn't happened in 6 years. So I want you to pay attention to that. Another thing we're going to talk about right now, some Bitcoin crypto news. We give it to you. You hit the like and subscribe every day. Come for you. We do our homework for you, and you just relax. Binance has launched a program to train law enforcement on how to spot cybercrimes, moving in response to greater demand for help. This is amazing. We need as much help as we can get. The world's largest crypto trading platform said Tuesday its investigations team has responded to more than 27,000 law enforcement requests since November. The FBI recently warned about cyber criminals increasingly exploiting vulnerabilities in decentralized finance and DeFi platforms. So getting into all the bad things that have been happening, we now have some help. Binance is part of that. And looking at the total crypto market cap, we have about $40 billion missing out of the crypto market. So you could pay attention to that. That's very important. Currently, right now, trending OAX right now up 30%. Nabel up 18%. Not really wondering what the hell they are. I'm not really sure. Obviously, you'd have to do your own research on that. But getting to what I was talking about. Currently right now, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then the next videos after this one quick update. I believe we'll be able to do some altcoins. So if you're interested in that, go to the community of our page and tell us in the comment what asset would you like Wall Street Pete to go over. We'll go over it, not financial advice, but please pay attention. ETH options leaning towards the buy side. Despite sell-off following the merge, well, Ether derivatives action soared leading up to the merge, and volumes are still challenging Bitcoin despite the Ether's price collapsing. The post, ETH options leaning towards the buy side. So we're going to pay attention to that right now as this article's in there, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about and exactly what the article means. Right now, currently expiring the month of September, right? We got 3 more days, ladies and gentlemen. What's today? We got till Friday, it looks like. We have till Friday. 1.5 million in Ethereum options set to expire. So there could be a big volatile move coming. I'm letting you know something could be happening. If you flip it and go to Bitcoin, you could tell right off the rip, the expiring options for Bitcoin, nobody really cares. Over 100, just about 110,000. So we're talking about millions. We're talking about 100,000. Come on. We already know the difference. We already know what's more important. Right now, Ethereum is kicking ass, Seabass. Pay attention. That will be something we'll be talking about. Will Ethereum be flipping the market cap of Bitcoin? That'd be another conversation. But make sure you tune in tonight, 8 o'clock Eastern, 3 hours or less. Somewhere around that time, we're going to do an 8 o'clock daily candle for everyone. So we'll talk about this, what's going to happen between Ethereum, and if you go to the daily, which is what we're on, in 3 hours and 5 minutes, we're going to have a new candle. And what is that exactly in this falling wedge here? Look at the big daily we're having. We were all the way up to, and we're hitting support. We're basically flipping old support into resistance, which is bearish. Falling down here, 14.18, ladies and gentlemen. 14.23 exactly was the price we had a problem at, and you can see right here back from the old support time from July, and then coming into August at the end here of the month. What I want to talk about with Bitcoin, though, before we break this down, there's a lot to talk about. When was the last time, September month, right? Let's pay attention. This was September 2021, right? We finished, and what happened in October? Well, we had a really nice rally, and we probably should have sold, right? Let's pay attention and observe that. Not financial advice, just a gentleman twice as nice. Please do your own research. Each candle represents a month for the Bitcoin price. This is very important, ladies and gentlemen. What I have here is an 83% move, another 83% move from the big fall down here. What would we have to do? Come down to about 11.7 in order to repeat that 83% fall. Keep analyzing, pay attention. Then what happens after 2021? Well, I think we skipped one. Let's see here. This was the month of 2021. Let's get to the 20. And the 20, and as you can see here, obviously, what's the only month that is red? Well, that is September of 2020. So let's see what the pattern is doing, ladies and gentlemen. We're paying attention, definitely to mention, right? This game is kind of fun. It's getting interested in breaking down Bitcoin on the monthly. So get to September again. But paid attention to what happened, right? October started off a nice rally, once again. Then if you didn't sell, well, you got punished. What else is new? One more time, what happened? Well, 2019, September, started off something and then a nice rally. Well, you can really put it into consideration. This is what keeps happening. Then, if obviously, 2019, you go all the way to 2018. And you pay attention to 2018, what was it? Well, it was another start of a massive decline plus and up. So what is the ultimate thing here is every time the end of the month of September, all the way to 2017. September has been going down, and then a beautiful October month has been establishing a nice rally. Now, I don't believe that is the case this time coming around. Please hit the like and subscribe. I do things differently. I don't change the narrative. As we're looking to see, we could be establishing a possible 11.6, 13.8. I have two prices I've been talking about. My price for the bottom of Bitcoin is 13.8, I believe. It's tough to say because it may never touch, right? We talked a lot of ish and may never fill. But that's why your dollar cost average in. So if your belief in this fall here is not true, you will be in the game instead of on the sidelines. So getting a couple of indicators out, starting to do technical analysis and paying attention to what is happening. Since we know everything pretty much into detail here on the monthly, let's break it down. We already know September's a bad month, and then September comes, right? Let's look at the weekly. On the weekly, we are bullish as AF. Looking to flip right now. Every time I've gotten to the weekly, it seems we've gotten a nice comeback, right? That's 2019. Let's pay attention to that. Analyze that, right? It's pretty nice. We've come all the way up and down since then. What was this? This was 2015. So 2015, 2014 coming in, and that's all the way to about a 4-year cycle. So you see what happened, right? 4-year cycle for Bitcoin. It's pretty obvious. What happened again? Well, 2018, we'll consider it, right? Because it was a 4-year all the way to 2022. What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? There's a 4-year cycle on Bitcoin. Hello! Wake up, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry I'm too loud. I know that gets very obnoxious. But this is a gentleman who used to work on the exchange screaming and yelling. This is normal to me. If you don't see what the F is happening, well, then you're not paying attention. 4-year cycle, 2014, right? We could put that in there. You see it on the bottom all the way to the end of the 2018. What happened? Well, there was a 4-year cycle. I don't need to show you this, but I'm going to. 4 mother effing years. Okay? I can't tell you enough how crazy and exciting this is looking at this. So what happens? Well, we do another one. And as I said, if you pay attention, 2018 all the way to where we are now, well, that's where the cycle is ending. So what I believe can happen is one more touch to the bottom, scare everyone out, but ultimately, ladies and gentlemen, going further, could this not be the bottom? So, saying goodbye. Warrant from IRS is out pending against me. Loved my time following you, being a wolf. Shut up, dude. What? Dude, you're killing me, bro. You were very fun. We had a good time talking parlays. Damn, sorry to hear that, brother. I hope the best for you, and please, if you get out or if you come back, please obviously stay subscribed. I don't care if you're stagnant on the channel. Maybe come back and make a comment. Maybe you'll be away and you'll be able to get attached to your phone and your account. I know a couple people who've done that. So I've heard stories and know things, but pay attention to what's happening. One of our brothers, one of our wolves are leaving. He's obviously getting put away, so it sucks, incarcerated. So here we go now. I really don't mean to just go over and pretend like that didn't happen. I feel really bad, but as we're getting into the channel, and we do have our best wishes for you, my brother, we do hope that by the time you get out, by the time you're feeling good and positive, maybe Bitcoin will be at a price where you'll be so happy you'll have some of your bags here. So if I was you, brother, if you have some money put aside, go buy some Cardano. This is kind of crazy that this is happening. Not financial advice, but go buy some Harmony One token. Go buy some Jasmy. Ethereum Classic. Go get some Ethereum Classic. All the Ethereum miners just ran over to Ethereum Classic. So couple things to buy. Man of Decentraland, I'm a little sketchy on why the price is going down so low. But we're going to make this video really short. And I just wanted people to understand that I believe that this is it. So this is the bottom right here. You can't get any more on a weekly to the bottom of where you're going to be. Can we go down a little more? Of course we can. I'd be crazy. I'd be a liar if I said we couldn't. But looking at this chart here, we're going to break it down best we can. As I said, we could keep falling. And as you can see right here, that's what's exactly is going to probably happen here. My Bollinger Bands were getting tight. Well, we got to move to the upside here. So we might not be done here. Wait a minute. What is happening on this? We did erase a lot of time on this falling wedge coming through. We got tight. But Bollinger Bands are getting tight again. And that's kind of scary because that means another breakout will continue. We may go boring sideways action. This will complete the balloon of the Bollinger Bands coming in, get another tight action, and perhaps go down again. What is happening is boring sideways, and I don't know if people are paying attention to this. So before we go, I want you to see this. This is very important. Every time we got a V up, and maybe this is what you don't see, right? V up, a V-shaped recovery. V-shaped recovery. Maybe you're starting to see that now. V-shaped recovery. If you notice that we're not getting the V-shaped recovery anymore, this is actually a bearish sign. So if you pay attention to that, we're going to have to be a little concerned right now coming in, hoping we build support on the slope. What is that? It's currently 19,000. And as you can see right now, 20,000 and a half is going to be your support nonstop for the Bitcoin price. So pay attention to that up there. I do find this as we need to break and finish a daily candle above there. So see you in about 3 hours. In about 3 hours for the daily, you're going to get a new candle. As you can see, 2 hours and 57 minutes. We'll find out what is exactly happening and why resistance keeps hitting here. So what is the price exactly as I can touch? 20,400. That actually doesn't surprise me. That's exactly where it is. We're going to find out if that number can be broken, if we could finish a candle above. Was this a manipulation fall? So really going to start talking about altcoins later. As I can see here on the daily, if you pay attention each daily, we're having a little bit of support built here through the 18.7. So 18,700. If we finish a candle below there, it's going to be warning, 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 a huge problem. So I would definitely put that into consideration. We give you levels here. It's not being the weatherman. It's not, oh, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to tell you I called it if it was up or down. I'm giving you a preparation. Who does that for you? Not many people, right? Technical analysis is always going to take you further than your gut or someone's word of mouth. And what happened is we broke out of this falling wedge here, but it's starting to become a descending triangle pattern that's concerning me. So I'm going to keep this a nice 15 short minute video, Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll go back to the altcoins, like I said, in about 3 hours or so. That's why you hit the like and subscribe. Look to trade in this range. Look to stay in this range. So obviously, up here, if we start to break above, this is your bullish long position. I'm going to put a long position if I finish a daily candle above. If my daily candle starts breaking below 18.7, I have my sell stop order for Bitcoin at the 18.7. If you don't see it, you must pay attention. I don't care about this last fall here. I'm more concerned about the 18.7 of the previous history candles coming all the way through to even here. And what was that as I get this stupid ad in the way? June 18th. So pay attention to that. Wall Street Pete Sickdo in crypto. Just a gentleman who used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Pretty excited to be here in the crypto space. It's very early. Please be excited. Terra Luna Classic. A lot of people are tired of Terra Luna, but we can talk about it tonight. You must put that in the comment section. As you can see, everyone else, the last comment was by economy. So pay attention to that. You'll see the person who typed by economy. They put it on the post. The post said, what crypto asset would you like for Wall Street Pete to go over today? Well, guess what? It turned into tonight. So what asset would you like Wall Street Pete to go over tonight? This video does not count. Go into the last picture of the community, check it out, and put your comment in there. If you don't put it in there, I'm not going to be paying attention to it. I won't be able to go over it. If there's 10 comments, I should be able to go over 10 assets. Take care. Have a good day. I'll see you tonight.